Hello students, in this video I will explain electrophilic substitution reactions of anisole. We have studied the structure of anisole. What is anisole? Anisole is benzene ring attached to the OCH3. It is an ether. To the ether functional group, alkyl group and benzene is attached. You know that whenever there is a benzene is electron rich, easily electrophiles can easily attack and hydrogen atoms can be substituted by the electrophiles. Therefore, reactions are called as the electrophilic substitution reaction. Correct? Now, there is a ortho position, there is a meta position, there is a para position. To which position the electrophile attacks? For that we need to know the resonance structures of the anisole. So benzene ring attached to the OCH3, correct? You know that oxygen carries a lone pair of electron. There are two lone pair of electron. One lone pair is involved in the resonance, correct? Like this. So OCH3 group is the electron donating to the benzene. Therefore, it is called as the plus R effect, plus resonance effect. So, we are going to get now the structures: bond breaks, double bond breaks, pi bond breaks, weaker bond breaks. So, negatively charged, then double bond OCH3, but oxygen is positively charged. And this will continue now. Charge becomes a bond and bond becomes the charge here. Correct? So we'll have now new structure. Negative charge on this position, then double bond OCH3 positively charged. So we'll continue. Bond becomes charge, charge becomes bond. Okay. So we'll be having next structure, that is here we'll get a negative charge, double bond, then OCH3, and this is a positively charged. Correct? And finally, this negative charge become bond and bond become charge. Therefore, the positive charge on the oxygen is now neutralized to give the original structure. So we'll get now double bond, double bond, double bond, then OCH3. Now see, in all these cases, negative charge there is in the ortho position, negative charge there on the para position, and here also there on the ortho position, correct? Therefore, negatively charged benzene at ortho and para easily catch up, easily takes up electrophile. Electrophiles are positively charged. Therefore, I can conclude OCH3 attached to benzene is ortho para directing group. Ortho para directing group. So we can expect two products, mixture of two products. One is ortho product, other one is the para product. Clear? Right? So now there are two products again. Okay, ortho and para product is said, correct? Now remember, ortho is the minor product and para is the major product in these reactions. Why major and minor? Here, electrophile can come to the ortho position, but there is a OCH3 little bulkier group. So at ortho position, there will be steric hindrance. Therefore, electrophile cannot easily attack the ortho position, but it can easily come to the para position because there are no overcrowding the atoms on the neighboring carbon atom. Correct? So para will be the major product because there is no steric hindrance, whereas ortho will be the minor product because there will be hindrance due to the next carbon atom, the substituent. Correct? Yeah. So let us start with the reactions of the electrophilic substitutions. Now, first reaction we are going to study is known as the halogenation of anisole. Halogenation of anisole. Halogenation of anisole. Okay, anisole. So here halogenation will take up the example of bromination, correct? We'll take a bromination reaction. We'll take bromination. What is the structure of anisole? Anisole is a benzene ring attached to the OCH3, correct? It can give ortho product, it can give meta product. Any ortho position, both the ortho position equivalent here. Okay. Now we'll carry out bromination, Br2. Remember, whenever chlorine, bromine to be introduced to the benzene ring, generally we go for catalyst like ferric chloride, ferric bromide. Here the catalyst is not required because already there is a electron donating group is there. It will activate the benzene ring. So catalyst is not required. But we require one solvent for the bromine to be dissolved, and bromine dissolve easily in ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid. What is ethanoic acid? Ethanoic acid nothing but the acetic acid. Acetic acid. Okay. We can't make use of bromine water. Water is a solvent. Okay. In this case we cannot use because bromine can dissolve in water, but anisole cannot dissolve in water there. Okay. So this anisole will be insoluble in water. So there will be two separate layers. They will go for bromine in the acetic acid. This is the reason. Okay. Then we'll get two products. One is the ortho product OCH3, correct? And to the ortho position Br. What will be the side product? HBr, one molecule. Second molecule comes here. Actually require two molecules. We are not going to balance it. Okay, HBr is the side product. Second molecule, benzene ring attached to the OCH3 and to the para position Br. Correct? Now we'll write the names. Okay. This is known as the orthobromoanisole. This is the parabromoanisole. Orthobromoanisole. Orthobromoanisole. And this is the parabromoanisole. 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 Right? Now I will also write down the IUPAC's name. 2-bromo. Correct? Why 2-bromo? Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5, 6. Give preference to that carbon containing the function group. So 2-bromoanisole. 2-bromoanisole. This is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5, carbon number 6. Right? Clear? So this will be 4-bromo. 4-bromoanisole. Among the two, which is the major product? Remember, para is the major product. So this is the major product. Para is the major product, and this will be the minor product. Ortho will be the minor product. Clear? So anisole reacts with bromine in acetic acid, bromine ethanoic acid to give mixture of ortho and para products. After writing the equation, right below the structures, we can write down 2-bromoanisole and 4-bromoanisole. Yeah. So this is the first electrophile substitution reaction. What is electrophile here? Electrophile is not bromine molecule. Electrophile is a Br plus. Br plus is generated. Okay, clear? Which easily attack the negatively charged the ortho and para positions as shown in the resonance structure. Correct? Right? So second reaction we are going for is known as the nitration reaction. Second reaction is the nitration. Okay, nitration of anisole. Second one is the nitration of anisole. Nitration of anisole. Nitration of anisole. What do you mean nitration? Nitration means you have to introduce a NO2 group. NO2 group means NO2 plus. Electrophile is NO2 plus. For that, what do you require? To produce NO2 plus, we require concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid, we can produce NO2, nitronium ion. Also act as the catalyst to remove the water molecule. This is also known as the nitrating mixture. Okay, clear? So let me write on the benzene ring attached to the OCH3. Here also we get two products, ortho product and the para product. So we'll write down the ortho product first, OCH3 to the ortho position NO2 group plus, and we'll also get a para product OCH3 to the para position NO2 group is attached. Clear? Now we'll write down the product name. Carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5 and 6. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Correct? So this is the 2-nitroanisole. Correct? 2-nitroanisole. Correct? And this is the 4-nitroanisole. 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 We'll also mention which is the major, which is minor. Ortho is a minor product. Okay? And para is a major product. Para is a major product. Right? Clear? So anisole reacts with mixture of concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid to give 2-nitroanisole and 4-nitroanisole, and major is the para product. Clear? Now third reaction. Okay. What is the third reaction? Third reaction is the important reactions. The name of the scientist, Friedel-Crafts reactions. There are two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. First one is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. So let me write down Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Yeah, what do you mean by alkylation? Introducing alkyl group is known as the alkylation. To the benzene, you have to introduce alkyl. What is the simplest alkyl? Methyl. But methyl should be along with its remaining group, right? So let me take methyl chloride. Alkyl halides. Alkyl halides. So this is known as the methyl chloride. Methyl chloride it is, right? Reacts with the anisole. Anisole benzene ring is attached to CH3, correct? This is the anisole, right? So we get ortho and para products. Now, suppose there is a hydrogen here. So what do you have to remove? HCl you have to remove. What is the electrophile generated? Electrophile generated is the methyl carbocation. Electrophile positive can attack the negatively charged benzene. Okay, so introduce the CH3 to the ortho position to the para position. Let me write CH3 to the ortho position. Let me write separately here down. So para product OCH3 and CH3 here. Okay, clear? So anisole reacts with the methyl chloride in the presence of what? Okay, whenever Friedel-Crafts reaction is there, we require Lewis acid. Okay, we require anhydrous aluminium chloride. Anhydrous aluminium chloride. Okay, to give ortho product and the para product. So this is the minor product, this is the minor product, and this is the major product. This is the major product. Clear? This is the major product. Right? Now, see here, we have got anisole derivative. We have got anisole here, correct? I can call it as the 2-methyl anisole. Here it is, I can call it the 4-methyl anisole here. Okay? But now you see here, there is a carbon-carbon extension. OCH3 and CH3. Okay, this is carbon oxygen bond. So this is the carbon-carbon extension. Generally, what you study, there should be longest chain. So what do we go? We can go for this is the main molecule, the basic molecule. Carbon-carbon extension is there. What is this molecule called? Actually, this is called the toluene molecule. Toluene. Benzene attached to CH3. So with respect to CH3 here, this is carbon number 1, this is carbon number 2, this is carbon number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Like that we can go. Okay. So I should not call now it as the anisole because I am going for the carbon-carbon derivative here. Carbon-carbon derivative. So I'll have the major group. Here is the toluene group. So with respect to CH3, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Correct? So I'll call this as the, now OCH become methoxy. Remember it is a methoxy. Which methoxy? 2-methoxy. 2-methoxy toluene. 2-methoxy toluene. Okay? Now this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, carbon number 5 and carbon number 6. This will be 4-methoxy. This is a 4-methoxy toluene. 4-methoxy toluene. This is a 4-methoxy toluene, right? So number the carbon number 1 attached to CH3, then the second group will be methoxy and goes on like this. Okay, right? Yeah, this is the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction wherein we are introducing alkyl group to the benzene and we require a Lewis acid like aluminium chloride which act as the catalyst. Okay. Now second version of Friedel-Crafts reaction is a Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Okay, acylation. Acylation reaction is also called as the acetylation reaction. Acetylation reaction. You have to introduce an acetyl group. Acetyl group you have to introduce. In general, acyl group is RCO group. Acyl is RCO. Acetyl is a CH3CO group. Acetyl, where R is equal to CH3. Now, what do you have to make use of? You have to make use of, for acetylation, I have to make use of acetyl chloride. I have to make use of acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride. Acetyl chloride formula is CH3COCl. Okay. This acetyl chloride is also called as the, one more name, the IUPAC name. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. Ethanoyl chloride. Ethanoyl chloride. This is the ethanoyl chloride. Reacts with the anisole, benzene ring attached to the OCH3, anisole. Okay, anisole. What is the other name for anisole? This is the methoxybenzene or methyl phenyl ether. Different names are there, but commonly called as the commercial name is the anisole. Okay. Again, we require a catalyst. Okay, same catalyst, anhydrous aluminium chloride. Anhydrous aluminium chloride. So, which group you have to remove? Chlorine atom you have to remove. And along with what? HCl. So, electrophile H plus is replaced by one more electrophile acetyl. So, we'll get now CH3CO plus. Okay. This is the acyl group, acetyl group, which is the electrophile now. So, we'll get two products. So, I'll be writing here down. So, benzene ring attached the OCH3. Bond breaks here, right? So, attach CO to the benzene. Don't attach CH3 to the benzene. The valence of carbon is always 4. Here, carbon, 2 bonds on either side, and 2 will be with the oxygen. Okay. So, this is the ortho product. This will be the ortho product. Next one will get the para product also. OCH3 and here OCOCH3. Correct? This is the para product. Which is the major, which is the minor? So this is the minor product, ortho is the minor product, and this is the major product here. Major product here. We'll write down the compound names now. Okay. Now see here, you can see two functional groups actually. One is the ketone is there, other one is the ether. Okay. So ketone will be in the priority list. It comes first in the priority list. Also carbon-carbon extension is there here, right? So therefore, I should call this molecule benzene ring attached to COCH3. This is ketone. This is a ketone, and this ketone is called as the acetophenone. This is known as the acetophenone. Acetophenone. Okay, and you will come across this in RDS in ketone chapter. Acet is a CH3. Phen is phenyl, benzene. ONE, ketone. Okay, so this is a common name. Acetophenone. With respect to acetophenone group, okay, with respect to functional group, carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3, carbon number 4, 5 and 6. Here also, with respect to keto, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Correct? So, which acetophenone? 2-methoxyacetophenone. 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 And this will be 4-methoxy. 4-methoxyacetophenone. Acetophenone, right? Acetophenone. So, in this video, we have studied the Friedel-Crafts reaction, two in number. One is the alkylation, other one the acylation. Anisole reacts with acetyl chloride in the presence of anhydrous aluminium chloride to give ortho and para products. Ortho product is 2-methoxyacetophenone and para is the major product is the para-methoxyacetophenone. Okay. So we are done with the electrophilic substitution reactions on anisole. That is the halogenation. We have studied bromination. Second one was nitration. Third one was the Friedel-Crafts reaction, acylation and the alkylation. Okay. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching.